Welcome uli sa ating channel. Ang video natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pagbabago ng boses o change voice sa CapCut. So, click lang natin yung CapCut at kung wala pa kayong CapCut, i-download nyo lang gamit ang Play Store. So, loading pa ang ating CapCut. Yan. Bali, kung wala pa kayong video, punta lang kayo sa new project. Pero since meron na akong video yung ine-edit, eto na lang yung gagamitin ko. So, ayan. So, babaguhin lang natin yung boses. Parinig ko lang yung original na boses.
Welcome to Gundam Pro's 20th shipment tower. Let's see how the tower was built with a quick time-lapse short.
Okay. So, balik ko lang sa umpisa kasi dun yung kailangan nating baguhin yung boses sa umpisa pa lang. Scroll nyo lang, no? Tapos, click nyo lang yung video para lumabas yung icon ng voice changer. So, voice changer yung hahanapin nyo. Voice changer. Ito, voice changer. Yan. Tapos pili lang kayo. So, wag niyong pipiliin yung Pro kasi kailangan yung mag-sign up sa o gumawa ng account at may bayad. So, marami naman dyan na hindi Pro. So, gamitin natin tong Deep.
Welcome to Gundam Pro's
Okay,
20th
may
shipment
ano agad, no?
tower. Let's see how
Malaki
the
yung
tower
pagbabago
was
ng
built
boses.
with a quick time-lapse short, followed by us checking out
Check
these
mo lang.
incredible
Pindutin
kids.
mo lang yung check.
Welcome to Gundam Pro's 20th shipment tower. Let's see how the tower was built
Okay.
with a quick time-lapse short, followed
So,
by
ganun
us
lang
checking
kadali,
out
no?
these incredible kids.
Sana ay may natutunan uli kayo sa video natin na to. Subscribe lang kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. Thank you.